La Jolla Cove is a small beach that is surrounded by cliffs in La Jolla, San Diego, California. Today we want to explore around La Jolla Cove, but we are not going to do it hiking.
We'll get our kayak on.
So, if you want to see this crazy adventure, it's something I've never done before, stick around. Let's go explore. Are you ready?
Let's do this. Kayak time.
I'm not gonna lie.
We'll be good.
We'll be good, I hope. How you feeling, man? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Alright guys, that first part was very intense. I thought I was gonna flip, but I feel better now. How are you guys doing back there?
Doing good.
Look at this. Oh, so nice and beautiful. Shark? Somebody say shark. How are you doing back there?
I know I smell.
Oh my god, that's a big one. Ah! Yes! Woo! Where did she go? Wow.
got 2 of them.
Show off.
I don't know, Natalie. Oh my god, hay una ola. Oh my god. Oh my god, I feel that. How was that?
Fetching.
That was so exciting. Getting in and getting out is definitely the hardest part. Other than that, it's pretty cool. I enjoyed it a lot. I think I will do this one again. Would you do it again?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, it's time to go home. I'm super hungry now. What about you?
Bye. I'm starving actually.
So yeah, we're gonna go find some greasy fat burgers. If you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, because we have more crazy adventures coming up. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Say bye to her.
Hi.
Bye.
Oh, bye.
It's bye at the end. Thank you.
No problem.